This is a Lenovo M30-70 screen repair. This one's already been taken apart. You don't want to do it too often because you wear out the tabs. You start on the top left hand corner and you insert either a guitar pick or an Oyster card. Pull those apart and just twiddle everywhere you can, all the way along, and just twiddle gently and evenly everywhere. Once you've got the top off, it will stay attached here. That's because there's some double-sided tape as well. So carefully twiddle here, and after about 5 minutes of work, you'll be able to gently remove this, just the fascia. Put that aside, and from there on it's pretty easy. You've got 6 screws, one there, one there, one there, one there, one there, one there, and you'll need a watch screwdriver similar to this one. Once those are undone, this will just screen will gently fall forward and onto the keyboard like that. This adapter or little cable will be sellotaped to the back of the screen. This little ribbon. If you carefully peel this ribbon away, you'll be able to pull the connector backwards and off the screen. You could reuse this, so leave that on. So that's the old screen removed, and reinstalling it is simply the reverse of that procedure, which I'm about to do now. You'll notice that you'll need to put double-sided tape, a thin layer, all around the edges. You'll see where it needs to go, because when you remove the fascia, it was installed at the factory, and this is to stop the plastic coming away and separating usually. So that's that done. Now all we need to do is reconnect the ribbon. We'll leave the protective film on for the time being. Careful not to allow it to stick to anything, which it is already. We'll take the ribbon and push it into the socket. This is very delicate, so be quite careful with it. Fix that in firmly. Use the supplied sticker, or if the sticker is no longer sticky, replace it with a bit of strong tape. This one's still quite adhesive. So let's push down. Still down. Once we're happy with the placement, we'll remove the protective film. Looks good, I got lucky with that. So now we'll simply insert our 6 screws again. There, there, and there. There, there, and there. These are very tiny screws. Now I know I've got everything in the right place, so I'll remove the protective film. What I'll do now, actually, before you put the whole thing back together, you may want to test it and make sure the screen works. But from here on, it's simply inserting the 6 screws back into position and reinserting the fascia, and you're done.